going to see the urgent recruitment for the work from home jobs or else online tutoring jobs. So it is a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are having the any graduation or any degree or any post graduation with any specialization. So here the salary is up to 10,000 rupees per month. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the part-time job vacancies, that they can able to earn up to 10,000 by simply sitting in the home. It will be very good opportunity, guys. So please share this video, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so here we got this work from home or else the online tutoring job from the Internshala website. Okay, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. Okay. So here the subject matter expert, Tech Academy skills. So from Noida, the start is immediately. That means there is a urgent or the immediate recruitment is there, and the duration is 6 months. The stipend or the salary we are going to get is 7,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. So which is a part-time, guys. So which will be very much helpful to you in this pandemic situation. And you have to apply by 15th May 2021. That is the last date. And the hiring for this internship will be online, and the company will provide the work from home or deferred joining till current COVID-19 situation improves. Okay, so be an early applicant. About the Tech Academy skills, so the Tech Academy skills is supplement to the secondary and high school education catering, IB, Cambridge Checkpoint, okay, US Common Core Curricula and CBSE and ICSE. The focal point of our academic team is to create a solid foundation for students to opt for national or the international competitive examinations. And the course offering the intensive tutoring, career profiling, abroad admission guidance, and career counseling platter all under one roof. So we focus on admissions to universities in India and abroad through undergraduate entry competitive exams for courses related to STEM, that is science, technology, engineering and mathematics. So about part-time job or tutoring job or else the internship, work on the correction of subject to assignment papers, creative quality test and assignments, work on doubt resolution through video solutions, constantly talking follow-up with students and clearing doubts, having good knowledge of curriculums like IB, IGCSE and CIE, and the skills required physics, chemistry and biology. And who can apply means all the freshers, okay, are available for the part-time job or the internship. So can start the part-time job or internship between 1st May 2021 to 5th June 2021. And they are available for the duration of 3 months and have the relevant skills and the interest. Okay, so if you are interested, then you may simply click on this apply now, guys. Okay, then your application procedure will be started up. Okay, so these are the details regarding the part-time job or else the online tutoring job, guys. So very much very good, wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the part-time job in this pandemic situation. So please share. Okay, and to get more notifications, please subscribe. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be And why? Because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide